everyone, Naresh is here with you. I have a question for you. Why don't you still earn thousands of dollars trading? Give you only a couple of hours. Are you afraid for a big risk? Do you not trust on the truthfulness of an earning? I understand your doubts, my subscribers, and I were also worried at first, but no. Now you can see results in the short periods of trading. If you want to achieve a same result, go to my Telegram channel using the link in the description. There you will find bonuses, strategies, and the many other useful matters. See you there. Return to essential of the video. Today I will show you my new effective strategies for making money on the binary option. In this strategy, I am using OMA's and fraction cargoes indicator. There will help you indicating a chart's movement and a flexibility. In there was a 3 large periods candle. This is the signal for increasing. If you want the contract, the sign for the decreasing, and you let's move on the setting. Before starting transaction, you need to set a necessary settings. First, put on the type candle on the chart. Set on the time frame 30 minutes. Then turn on the indicator, fractional cargoes band and OMAs. You can see the setting to these indicators on the screen, where set the OMR and CRY currency pair. The transaction time is only 30 seconds. Now let's move on the transaction. Let's set our trade frame. I start with an amount $125 and the open deal to increase since show the enter point. The indicator shows me small adjustment, but overall the movement of the chart is going up. We are waiting for completing on the transaction. Congratulations on our first successful deal. This is a strategy. I am confident in it and effectiveness, and I will approve it you with an example of several ideas. By the way, your balance is $240. The second deal will be in an amount $240. We find an entire point and open a deal for an increase. The moving average of our indicators showing the upward movement. The upward movement trade does not stop. These are our signals. Looking for perfect trading platform? You are lucky because I am great place and pocket options here. Even transactions being you're close to financial success, fast withdrawals, transparent transactions, and high profit. All these making the platform idea for your capital to start working for you. The platform is to share and experience. Join my Telegram channel to achieve a bonus. Keep it up to date with the last new strategies for successful trading. Boom! Our deal is coming to end and our balance is rising. It is already $460. But we don't need to stop, move on. Here in this finish line or test my new strategies, we are considering and analyzing and looking for entry points. I will show you how you are chatting in the state of receiving beginnings to rising slow by surely. The indicators show a positive movement. So we are open a deal and increasing in amount $400. Wow, friends, our deal is over. We were able to receive our cashier going on $828. We want to see new strategies more often. Then like and subscribe to my channel and waiting for a new working effective strategies. By the way, don't miss my new next video. In it, I will analyzing another strategy and show you how to make money with it. Guys, I want to inform you that's in my Telegram channel, regularly sharing new secret strategies that help earning not only me but also my subscribers and following my signals and strategies, you will be able to achieve a big profit. I am waiting for everyone in my Telegram channel.